Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to SpoonCrafty, your go-to channel for evidence-based, practical health and nutrition advice. Today we're diving deep into the incredible world of fiber, a nutritional powerhouse that often gets overlooked. Stay with me till the end because we'll uncover 10 compelling reasons why fiber is absolutely essential for your overall health and well-being. You'll learn how it impacts everything from weight management and heart health to digestion and even longevity. So buckle up and get ready to explore the amazing benefits of fiber. Ever feel hungry shortly after a meal? Fiber can be your new best friend. By adding bulk to your diet, fiber helps you feel fuller for longer periods, preventing overeating and those pesky cravings. It's like a natural appetite suppressant. That means fewer unnecessary calories and better weight management. But it doesn't just control your appetite. Fiber actively promotes healthy weight loss. It does this by affecting your metabolism and improving insulin sensitivity, which helps your body utilize energy more efficiently. So, increasing your fiber intake can actually help you shed those extra pounds in a sustainable way. We all know heart health is crucial, and fiber plays a major role here. Fiber, especially soluble fiber, binds to cholesterol in your digestive system, preventing it from being absorbed into your bloodstream. This helps lower your bad cholesterol levels, significantly reducing your risk of heart disease. Managing blood sugar levels is key to preventing type 2 diabetes. Fiber comes to the rescue again. It slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those dangerous blood sugar spikes. This improved blood sugar control is a major factor in lowering your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. We all know how uncomfortable constipation can be. Fiber is like a superhero for your digestive system. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and promoting regular bowel movements. Say goodbye to constipation and hello to a happy, healthy gut. Believe it or not, studies have shown a strong link between high fiber diets and a reduced risk of certain cancers, especially colorectal and breast cancer. Fiber helps promote a healthy gut environment, reducing inflammation and potentially inhibiting the growth of cancerous cells. You've probably heard about the importance of gut health, and fiber is essential for maintaining a thriving gut microbiome. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the good bacteria in your gut. This helps create a balanced gut ecosystem, which is crucial for overall health. Strong bones are essential for a healthy life, and certain types of fiber can actually help improve your bone health. These fibers enhance calcium absorption, making sure your body gets the building blocks it needs for strong, healthy bones. We're exposed to toxins every day, and our bodies need a way to eliminate them. Fiber acts as a natural detoxifier. It binds to toxins in your digestive tract and helps flush them out of your system, preventing them from being reabsorbed. Want to live a longer, healthier life? Studies have linked high fiber diets with increased longevity. By promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, fiber can truly help you live a longer and more fulfilling life. So there you have it, folks. 10 incredible reasons why fiber is a true nutritional superhero. From weight management and heart health to digestion and longevity, fiber plays a vital role in your overall well-being. If you're not already prioritizing fiber in your diet, now's the time to start. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Subscribe to SpoonCrafty for more evidence-based health tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Let me know in the comments section what your favorite high-fiber foods are, or if you have any questions about incorporating more fiber into your diet. I'm here to help. Until next time, stay healthy and keep it SpoonCrafty.